Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm jumping into the video, and as the title say, we're going to do a Valentine's makeup look. So I'm priming my face and I'm just doing patting motion to make sure it goes into my skin really nice. I really love this primer. So I'm going to prime my eyes using the LA Pro concealer in yellow, and this just going to just give an even base on my eyes, so whenever I go into those bright colors it will blend really nice and pop. So I'm using this small Real Technique sponge just to blend out. And yeah, you could use a brush, you could use even a bigger beauty blender if that's what you have. Just work with what you have. Now I am setting the concealer with the Sacha Buttercup powder. So we're going into the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm using that nice pink shade to just go all over my crease and even a bit higher. So I did change brushes here because one of my eyes is just a little droopy, so I find that whenever I use this to blend, it just works out better. So yeah. So I am cutting my crease, and I like to draw like a thick line with some of the concealer and then look up, and I'm using the LA Pro concealer in yellow to do this. Subscribe if you're new to my channel, guys. Remember to hit that subscribe button. If you like makeup looks like this, just hit the subscribe button. I don't want to sound bossy. Okay, so after I cut my crease, I like to see where there's any like imperfection that I can fix. But after all that is done, I'm going to pat out the edges so everything blends properly. I swear whenever I'm doing a voiceover, like, I always get out of breath. I really don't know why. So the shade that we went in first, that's what I'm going in with, just to make sure there's a smooth transition from the concealer to the previous color that we have. So I'm going to show you the colors, and I'm using this also, and also that lighter shade I'm going to put where the concealer is. So that's what I'm demonstrating here. So guys, now that both of our eyes are finished, yes, yours is finished too, I hope you're following, I'm going to mix two foundation, and that is the Maybelline Stay Matte in Coconut and also Warm Coconut. And I'm using a Real Technique sponge just to blend that in by using patting motion to distribute it all over my face. Also, I'm going to go in with a sponge just to take off any excess, because even though I really want it to cake the face, we don't want it to cake, okay? We don't want all that extra layers sometimes. So now that the foundation seemed like okay, everything has come in flawlessly, you know, I really like how it's looking, and I feel like the sponge just do a really awesome job. So we're going to conceal our eyes, under our eyes, sorry, and I'm using the LA Pro concealer in Toffee, and I'm just putting a little under this. Now I don't know, but I layered this concealer so much, but I could still see the dark circle under my eyes. Don't know if it was just me, but I could see it, and I did not like that at all. So I went in 2 times with the Toffee, and then with the LA Pro concealer in yellow, I did that last, and I feel like I was comfortable after that. I was like, yeah, this concealer is a bit, can be a little watery. I'm not sure why. I wish it was a little bit thicker. I think they should probably just try to you know, change up their formula a little. I'd really appreciate if it was a little thicker. But hey, we all love the LA Pro concealer. It's very affordable and it just works, you know. So here am I just adding the LA Pro concealer, the yellow one, just to brighten up the eyes. Like I really want the eyes to pop under the eyes, make it look like I'm sleeping for days, which I'm not. So after blending that out, we're gonna set with our Sasha Buttercup, and I just dip my damp brush, my damp sponge in, and then I blow off the excess. Obviously, if I was doing clients, I wouldn't do this. You shouldn't do that. But yeah, you get off the excess loose powder, and then you will go in and just pat it in. That's what you want to do. Just tap, 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 tap it in. So I really like how it was setting. I wasn't seeing that line, and that's what I wanted. Now around my mouth is where I have problem areas, so I like to go around my mouth with the setting powder. And I went ahead and set the rest of my face. So I'm just gonna use a fluffy brush from Real Technique to just buff that out, because I'm all about smooth canvas. I really like to see a foundation that is well set and it looks natural. Now we all remember the Anastasia Beverly Contour Kit. This is the original one, like when they just come out. Like this was my first high-end product. Well, like my first was MAC and then this. So I'm going to use that contour powder that I showed previously to contour, and I really like this. I have the cream one. I don't really sorry, I'm out of breath, guys. I don't really use it much, but yeah. So I'm gonna bronze, and there's something about contouring first and then bronzing. I just feel like it's really nice. This is my second time trying this, and I really like it. With bronzing, you really have to take your time, like do not use too much. Like I always use a lot of bronzer. I don't know why. I just like, it's like this is my favorite part. So, you know, bringing back the definition in the nose, all of that. What you guys doing for Valentine's? Are you going out? Do you celebrate Valentine's? Let me know in the comment section. Now I do like to use a fluffy brush just to blend all of that together, both, you know, just everything that's on my face. So I really like to go over. So we're going to set our face with the L'Oreal Infallible setting spray. Awesome. Yeah, so going back into the palette, and we're doing that lighter purplish pinkish that I showed previously, and we're just gonna blend under the eye. Guys, don't mind my lace, okay? Yeah. think the bronzer really darken the lace and just make it pop more. But yeah. So we're going in with some glitters, and we're using the NYX glitter glue, our primer, that is. And I really like the mouth of this. I think they were really thinking about us, you know, the precision of it. So I really like to just dab it and then just go in with the glitter. Now I did mix 3 glitter just to get this color, a golden one, a coral one, and I think another one. And I really like how it looks. Hey. So as I said, you see how the mouth of it is so small, so it just really gives you that position to just dot, you know, so much control. I like that. I like the control. Who doesn't? Guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, remember to hit that subscribe button. I know the video is a bit long and I'm sorry about that. I do try to keep my videos short, but for some reason whenever I'm doing makeup tutorials, they always seem to be very long. And just let me know. Alright, so here I did put on my lashes and eyeliner because I cannot do these on camera just as yet. The liner that I use is from Milani Stay Matte, and the lashes are from AliExpress. I bought them in some bulk thing. But yeah, so we're adding highlighter, and I really like this highlighter. It's very affordable and it's very skin-like. You know, it just gives you that subtle glow that I think we should all have. And if we want to turn it up, we turn it up. But yeah, it just makes it look really glamorous, but not too harsh. So I do love this brush. It's from the Black Radiant, and I know you're seeing that little glue thing right there. I don't know what's going on with it, but when you mix the blush and the highlighter, it just gives this nice healthy glow coming from my skin. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, I like that. So we're setting the face again. I really like this setting spray. So we're going in with the lips, and I am using my brow pencil. Okay, I don't have a dark pencil, lip pencil, so I'm going in with this, and it worked. Hey, makeup is where you can be creative and do whatever you like that works. At the end of the day, if it comes out really good, why not do it? Okay. So after lining my lips, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop in Quickie, and then I'm gonna top it off with a lip gloss from them, which I did not show here, but I did add it on. I think the lip gloss that I use is a collaboration between them and Karushi. I think it named Warm Sugar, something like that. I'll try to list it in the description of the products that I use today. But basically this is like the finished look, guys. Oh, and I did went in with another liner, lip liner, BFF by ColourPop. They have nice lip stuff, guys. You should definitely check them out. But however, if you're new to this channel and you reached to the end, remember to hit that subscribe button, and yeah, your girl is gonna slay for you. Okay, slay.